probably still kind of reacting when they come up, as opposed to saying, okay, this is how we're going to proceed forward. Oh, we want that payment. We want that deposit. The decisions aren't made. It's going to just push that, digging ourselves in the hole down the road.
And I think the one thing I have to start to learn is how to preempt that with some of these millwork projects. I was on what was supposed to be a final measurement for a bunch of millwork. And I walked in and the GC is pushing. And I walked in and met the on-site PM, and one of the items they're really pushing for isn't framed. And I'm like, when's this going to be framed? Oh, this week. And I was like, why am I here? Oh, we'll just do the math. All right, so this is a great example of how I need to dial in my bidding my millwork and saying, like, listen, we're not going to raise a finger until we know you're ready.
Yeah.
Because what's this gonna be right now? You're going to push me. I'm going to react. I'm going to buy a bunch of material, start this built in, and then stop because you're actually not really ready.
You're not ready. Yeah. So we had a contractor one time that was doing the same thing. We learned the lesson, and he was pushing, get on site. Let's just get this started. It's real, it's real simple. You can build it here on site, blah, blah, blah. We did exactly what he wanted to do, customer service, trying to take care of the contractor. At the end of it, there were so many problems, so many mistakes. Our quality wasn't where it should be or whatever. And I thought it was pretty interesting, and actually agreed with what the contractor said, is after we kind of got through all of that, and he was honest enough, he said, listen, I'm pushing and I'm going and I've got 1,000 subs and all that. And I'm just going to tell everybody, like, let's go. He goes, but what I expect from you guys at the rate that I'm paying you, I expect you to tell me the truth. You're not ready for us. He was like, I actually need to hear that because I'm always going to be pushing. And I need to know, because if you tell me I'm not ready, I might not like it, but I can make adjustments. And that's what I'm paying you. You guys are the experts when it comes to this. And I thought, you know what, that's really good. Now, a lot of your contractors won't be maybe not humble enough to look at it like that, but it's still your responsibility as a high-end level trim carpenter millwork company, is when you show up to that job site meeting and they say they're ready and it's not framed, you just have to know, say, guys, for us to do what you're paying us to do, you're not ready. Here's a list of things that we're going to require that make it ready. The things have to be framed up. We have to have the design. Let us know, what can we do to help get you there? Outside of, we're not pulling measurements for walls that aren't there. You're just not ready. Get ready, and then we can move very quickly. And some of your contractors are going to need to hear you say that.
Yeah, no, this was a great example, and it's something I just have to dial in. So,
hey everyone, Shawn Van Dyke here. What you just watched was just a few minutes of a coaching call with one of my long-term clients, Ian St. George. Let me ask you, would you like to make more money in your construction business? Would you like to streamline your processes? Would you like to get your life back? Then go to my website, ShawnVanDyke.com/apply, and fill out the application for one of my coaching programs. That's ShawnVanDyke.com/apply, or you can click apply for a program right there on the homepage. Fill out the application, and my team will follow up with you with the next steps. I look forward to meeting with you.